Hey guys, RJ with the Roof Guys. We're here to show you how to install drip edge. This is your standard piece of aluminum drip edge. This goes over all the edges, as allows the water flow to go off over the roof and into the gutters, or onto the ground if they don't have gutters. So very simple to install. First of all, we're going to take it. We're going to measure it out. We want a 3-inch overlap. 2 to 3 inch overlap over here, down on this side. We're going to find out where we want to cut it. And cut this here. What you want to do is you want to put it's called a relief cut. So you put a cut here, and that'll allow the metal to bend, allow our corner to stay nice and tight. And then what I'm going to do here is we're going to cut an angle, just so that we don't have overlap hanging over the edge. So cut it at a slight angle there, cut it at an angle here, so it's a V, all ending in that in our relief cut there. So that's a straight line. We're going to wrap it over so that this is always on top. Again, we want watershed. We want it all to come down. If it's like this, water can get underneath there and cause problems. So we're going to go over it. We're actually going to start nailing in the corner here. Again, I'm going on top of the lower one. Watershed is always going down. Always watershed down, so nothing gets in there, okay? If I put it here, water comes down, it gets underneath, hits these nails and causes problems. So we're going over so that our edges are sealed. Nail it in. Sometimes if they don't go in, you gotta hammer them down. Make sure they're tight, and that's how you install a drip edge. Alright guys, we're going to continue on the drip edge. We're going to show you how to go up the edge and cut the peak so it looks nice and clean. Quick note on the drip edge, you really only need to nail it about every 3 or 4 feet. We just need something to keep it tight, because you're going to go back over and you're going to nail shingles into that, so there'll be a whole bunch of nails. So you really just need a few nails to hold it in place. So we'll do that on this one. Come over here. Get our overlap. So again, every 3 or 4 feet, we're just holding it in place. Now we're going to come up here to the top. We want this outside edge to be nice and clean, so we're actually going to cut it. We're going to cut it vertical with our fascia and with our you see the seam there. So we're going to cut that so we're straight up. So that we have a nice point. So we're going to fold that down under, find out where I need to cut the rest of it, cut that triangle out. So now our corner is nice and tight. Go ahead and nail it down. And we have a good looking finished exterior product. Thanks guys.